Hey everyone, wanted to show you today quickly how I fixed up my gutter spouts. The little screw hinges that they put in there just don't work. Like frankly, they tear out, they get lost in your landscaping, and they're just not a good option. You're kind of always messing with them. So I'm going to show you what I do. It takes a few seconds usually, most a few minutes, and go from there. Here's what I use. An automotive push pin. Okay, this here is a 6.4 millimeter for like GM vehicles. You can get a container of them with a bunch of these or a full set with all kinds of options in them, which is what I do. So I've got a bunch laying around for like UTVs, four-wheelers, cars, everything else. But I use these on my gutters, and I'll show you right here. So you can see I've got them pushed in right here. I've got another one on this side. I like to have them so the protruding end here, or I guess the long end is out, and have the flat head inside. That way no brush or debris catches inside. But if you like a cleaner look, you can push them in the other way. It doesn't really matter. The holes for my screws were wallowed out enough that I didn't really have to drill this. I just pushed them in and it worked. These particular ones, yeah, you might have to drill them. So just put a piece of wood in the back side of this, because it's fairly thin metal, so it doesn't deform, and drill the hole size you need, and push one of these in. You'll like them. They don't break off too easy, but if you ram into the downspout extension or something with tractor, or just walking, or kids are messing around with something, they do break off, and you can just replace them rather than them tearing up all the aluminum around here. So I just like them a lot better than the little screws that most of the installers put in, so I thought I'd share. Hope this helps, and good luck.